What is going on today, guys? I hope you all are doing well on this hopefully beautiful day. I'm coming at you guys today with an unboxing and first test of the Berger Motorsports Dragy. So, let's get into it. First things first, let's go through the Amazon box. Well, it's a bit smaller box than I expected. There we go. That's what I was expecting. Dragy. That's it. It's a GPS box. Inside the box you also get a charging cable and a few magnetic 3M plates if you want to stick this on a couple other cars. Because Dragy is magnetic. So the Dragy is a virtual drag strip for any road possible. You basically stick this on your car and it will measure your quarter mile, eighth mile, half mile, any sort of distance and speed down to the 1/100th of a second. It's pretty accurate. Now this review and testing is not sponsored, but I'm gonna go stick this on the charger, and once it's fully charged, let's go test it out with a couple of our cars. Okay, it's about an hour or so later. Thing's about 80-90% charged. I didn't really see, I saw it was in the green, so it's charged. As you guys saw, Dragy is magnetic. So what I'm gonna do, that's it. That's all you gotta do. And that will stay there while I do my tests. I'm gonna take this off while we actually go to the place. So we're gonna start with my car, then we're gonna do my sister's, and if we have time, we might test the Jetta. I don't know, because the Jetta is really slow and kind of boring. But let's get a cold start on my car. It's kind of a cold-ish start. I ran out and did some errands earlier today. You can also mount the Dragy to the interior surface, which is why it had those pads. I'm not actually doing that, but I'm just setting it there, and it should be fine. I don't know if I'll keep it there. Now, the Dragy company is owned by Berger Motorsports, which is why you saw the JB4 ad, and its Dragy itself is completely app controlled. You click connect, it connects, power's on, you can see the blue light. That comes on, full battery, good Bluetooth, full signals, sends the data. And now that it's got the data, you're ready to go. It has all of these tests, 0 to 30, 0 to 60, 60 to 130, 0 to 130, 100 to 150, 100 to 200, which I've turned off because my car can't do that. You can do 0 to 60, or 60 to 0, eighth mile, quarter mile, half mile, full mile. And then custom modes, I've set up 40 to 70 for roll racing. This is your leaderboards. I haven't done any, which is why my personal leaderboards are empty. You can set up a camera with this. Links up to Dragy. You can hang it in your, and set it up like this, and it will show you basically everything. I'm going to be splicing in the footage from this view as we do our tests so that you can actually see everything. So now that I've gotten that out of the way, let's get to it. So after a little bit of playing around, this is what I found was the best way to set up the camera system. You can see my radar detector in the corner, right there, see? But otherwise, it works. Okay, we're out in Mexico, so I'm gonna just set that right there, and we can get going to the spot. Okay, so my sister has joined us, but we're just gonna go for it right here. Had to bail. Car pulled out. Dang. Okay, we're in Mexico 2.0. Let's try this one. We're gonna try again because that was a disappointing time. 7.21. So let's get this set up. I get both cameras going. Click record. That was a really loud. 7.5?
I think it's because of your shifting. Maybe.
Dang, that's just bad. That's really bad. Wow. Okay, we determined my car's slow. We're gonna pull out my sister's. Hers is 4-wheel drive. It might fare better in the 0 to 60. So I will see you back out in Mexico. I'm gonna hand this to you. Okay, I'm gonna reconnect and we're gonna try it from right here in my sister's car. She has 4-wheel drive, which means that she will get a significantly better everything than me, theoretically. At least launch. Why are you not connected? What do you mean no draggy found? It's right there. Literally right there. Okay, I put it on the roof because it apparently doesn't want to stick on the car. So, like I was saying, Lily's car is all-wheel drive. I'm gonna put it in sport mode. Turn the dynamic traction control on. I've got the sport display up so we can see the torque. Pull up the camera. So the view that I see is really different than the view that you guys see on this thing because it's just, it shows some different stuff. You can in here change the quality of recording at 1080 because I don't upload 4K vlogs because I'm cheap like that. Anyway, ready? Let's go. Start that recording there. Go. What?
30.
Okay, that might be it.
What just happened?
My phone just flew. Okay, time to find my phone. Go. What?
30.
Okay, that might be it.
60.
My phone just flew. Okay, time to find my phone.
Oh my god.
Found it. Okay.
Oh my god.
Found it. Okay. That was a 615, so that was a little bit quicker than my car.
I think it would have been better if your phone didn't fly off.
No, that's amazing. Okay, let's try that again and make sure my phone's locked in. Try that again. That was quality. Yeah, you can feel how much more you can like preload this thing with a launch. Let's try this one more time. This time, hopefully, the camera won't go flying. Ready? Foot on the brake, foot on the gas. Load it. Drop it.
30.
There's
60.
591. Much faster. Much. Wow. That's. My car's slow.
Take the L.
My car is really
Sucker.
slow. Foot on the brake, foot on the gas. Load it. Drop it.
30. 60.
591. Much faster. Much. Wow. That's. My car's slow.
Take the L.
My car is really
Sucker.
slow. Yeah, that's your all-wheel drive. We're gonna do one more
Quarter
launch.
mile.
Oh, that's not the quarter mile. Stop recording.
Can I try?
You're only allowed to do a 0 to 60. This is dangerous. She's trying it. So Dragy didn't move at all. Brake all the way to the floor.
Brake all the way to the floor.
Gas all the way to. You're not in drive, by the way. So you're gonna want to put it in drive.
Okay, brake.
Brake all the way to the floor. Gas all the way to the floor. Drop it. Oh, yep. There you go. I forgot to click record. Oh well.
60.
There is your 60. Yeah, I forgot to click. Okay, you can stop now. Cancel this. Forgot to click record. So that was a 589. Reset. Okay, so stop. Come to a complete stop. Reset. Click the camera. Click both so you can see both of us. Now click record. Now go. Drop it.
30.
That was a 653.
Damn, that sucked.
I think you started creeping a little bit.
Creepy.
So you were moving before you launched.
The fuck, how?
You
Quarter
didn't
mile.
hold your brake hard enough. There you go. Stop. Forward. Now go. Drop it.
30.
That was a 653.
Damn, that sucked.
Now you see how fun launching your car can be.
Nice.
And as I expected, her car was much, much faster than mine. Very disappointing though. Okay, I expected my sister's car to be faster than mine. I didn't expect a full second faster than mine to 60. That's disappointing. I might take my car out later today or potentially tomorrow if the weather's warmer, try and get some more heat into the tires before I start it and get a better launch. But also, the fact that I'm trying to do launches on tires that look like this kind of says a lot. Front wheel drive, they have tread, which is good, but they're not great. Ooh, also the inside of the tire is much warmer than the outside. I gotta get that fixed too. Yeah, so I don't have the time to test the Jetta as much as I want to. It's getting dark and I just don't want to run it at night. So, if you liked the video, please like, comment, subscribe, and until next time, goodbye.